Well, guys, I'm finally going to show you guys a tour of my apartment. Now, I've been living here since March, and, it's just been a journey. But if you guys have been watching me for a while, I am proud to say that this is, the best apartment I've been living at. It's the nicest apartment I've been living at, and it's the cleanest apartment I've been living at. It's been taking me a while, and you'll see all the furniture kind of matches. Before, it was kind of just mismatching stuff, but it is all brand new stuff. Everything matches, everything is nice. So without further ado, before I do flash to the tour of the apartment, I do want to flash back when I first got this apartment. The walls were white. I did paint them black. So let's flash forward to that, and then we'll start with the apartment tour. Let's get it, guys. So this is going to be the before. All white walls all throughout. And we're gonna make it limousine black. So this is the first coat. Now, obviously up there, I'm gonna be using a paintbrush so I don't get anything on the ceiling. Same with the bottom, but I'm about to go over with the second coat. I only used about half, maybe actually like a fourth of a gallon for this. I'm gonna let it dry a little, take a nice little joint break, and then get back to the second coat. But I think I'm gonna finish all this today. I'm gonna see if I can do this today. The kitchen I'll do tomorrow, and my bedroom, and like this I'll do tomorrow. But it's definitely looking nice. Well, I am finished for tonight. Tomorrow I have to do the top because I don't have a ladder. I did 2 coats on this. Looks really nice. Like I said, I just need to do the tops tomorrow. Then I'm gonna start on the kitchen, start on this over here, on the doorway. Probably gonna paint the door too. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. I'd probably say maybe another 2 days, 3 days, and the whole apartment will be done. I do want to start the apartment tour from the outside to show you what it looks like from the outside. And then I'll show you guys have been seeing, we've been thrifting the Halloween decorations. Come on in. First thing we see little Captain. Say hi to the people, show them the apartment tour finally. So behind the door we have the little basketball hoop. We have the thing so that way I can hang up my keys, and then my keys so that way when I take Captain out, we have a little dart if people want to play some darts. Now I did obviously paint the walls black. We put the LED strip all along the top. It changes colors. Here I got this off Amazon. It's a LED fireplace. It blows hot and cold. I have the Xbox One set up right there. I have a little picture frame, Captain's toys down there, some speakers. Over here is games, so when people come over, it's all board games, card games, dominoes, stuff like that. I know the lighting might be a little bit dark, but just bear with it. Captain's little bed, his favorite toy, all his chew bones. I did get a brand new 70-inch TV. We bought that at Best Buy. The soundbar, if you guys are watching, you know that I thrifted the soundbar for $10. And what I did was I bought the side speakers, which is right here and right here off eBay. This painting my uncle did in the 90s. These couches I ended up thrifting. I paid $400 for the pair. Perfect condition, no flaws, anything. Looked like they were barely used. The tops fold up too, so you can have like different positions. This couch was $2,500 brand new. This plant is a 100% real plant. I got it a few months ago. at Home Depot, and it's been lasting. I don't know the name of it, but it's a really nice accent to the room. Then on this side, we do have a thrifted Picasso painting. Now, obviously, it is fake, but nice little Picasso. In this corner, I just have like an extra chair, a foldable table, a pillow, some blankets. Now, these bar stools, we actually thrifted 3 months before we got the couches, and they literally match perfect. They're the white with little chrome accents, and the couches have white with little chrome accents. Literally like it was meant to be. Now, I do want to get a coffee table for this area, but I haven't found one, so for the time being, this is my living room. Now, there's no rugs because that little guy right there likes to pee on rugs, so sadly, we cannot have rugs, thanks to Captain, because you like to pee on the rugs. Yes, you do, so we can't have rugs. Yep, you better tell him. So that kind of concludes the area. Now, usually when people come over, I'll just pull out that foldable table and we'll eat right there while we watch TV. But you can just swivel these chairs and eat right there. Here I just have like some accessories like my watch, my EDC with my little side bag, some Halloween candles, an extra magazine, just little necessity stuff that I need. This is my AC unit. It is central AC, which for Miami South Beach is actually not common. A lot of people do use wall units. This is little Captain's bowl, food and water. Now, ever since I moved to South Beach, I kind of leave Captain like as if he was a cat almost. I leave food out all day, and he just eats whenever he's hungry. This trash can is amazing. It's like it's like a $200 trash can. The name of it is, I don't even know, Brar Bonita. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a $200 trash can, best trash can ever. The smell, like it just holds. It's so fire. I have a dishwasher. We have my smoking materials. We have my little Halloween decorations. You guys saw we thrifted this little pumpkin. Little action figure, Happy Halloween, this little guy sitting, and then obviously the lights. Now in my kitchen, I just have, the basic stuff. I'll turn on the light so that way you can actually see. We have these Halloween themed little towels we got. We have the new Magic Bullet, which I use every single day. For like protein shakes, we have the Ninja that I use for smoothies. This is a toaster. Got the water, all my supplements, waffle maker, seasoning spices, wine opener, knives, all that good setup. My silverware or my plates do match my walls, all black. I got it off Amazon. Usually people show what's in the refrigerator. Mine is super, I have Chipotle bag, fruit, pineapple, potatoes. We're on that gym diet. Asparagus, eggs, not too much in there. Same with the meats. Everything is just vacuum sealed. We have some tuna. We have some pork. We're dropping stuff. I think we have some lobster in here somewhere. Yeah, we have a few lobster tails sitting in here. Oh my gosh, I'm dropping it all. There's some nice lobster tail. Nice vacuum sealed. We actually thrifted a vacuum sealer. Best vacuum sealer ever. We have this whiteboard. So this whiteboard, I just write if I need to buy stuff, if I need reminders, goals, anything I need, I just write on the whiteboard. I have little portable chargers up here. This is Jackson. If you guys have been watching a while, Jackson sadly is no longer with us. I'm not going to get into that. I've said in other stories, but this is Jackson. Baby boy always sits up top. Up top, I just have bags, basically coolers, stuff that I take to the beach. In here, I could have a washer and dryer, but as you see, I just use it for storage because I need a lot of storage. So we just have Costco bins filled all the way top. Super nice. Nice little vacuum that I got off Amazon. Super neat. We have my dive bag set up in here. We just have extra towels. This is my shipping station for the shipping bags. Storage for paper towels, beach towels. I have my skis. I'm actually going to Colorado in the next week or two. I'm not going to go skiing this time, but I'm just going to go to Colorado. We have my skateboards down here. We have 2 long boards and 1 regular board. Basically 2 long boards, so that way if I have a friend come over, a girl comes over, whatever, we want to go to the beach. The beach is literally 3 blocks away, so we just skateboard. We have some weights. We have a grill that I have not set up yet. So that's the reason why. We could put a stackable washer and dryer in here, but then we would just have missing all this space. And you'll see we need as much space as we can because once we move to the bedroom, we start running out of space. So my walls are obviously black. I only painted my living room. I was going to paint my kitchen, but I decided it was just too much work, especially up there when I have bags. It's just unneeded. So I left, obviously, that side black. And then my bedroom is white as well. I did not paint that. So to start off with my bedroom, I showed you guys in the other vlog, we have my hat rack, the Fear of God hats, a couple Trucker Bass Pro hats, stuff like that. My hats lined up. We have a little pull-up bar also. I'll give you guys a little front view as if you walk in. So to the left, I did set up a full-length mirror so that way I can look at myself when I'm leaving, when I'm about to get ready. A nice little full-length mirror, which I've never had before in my house. We do have my everyday sandals, which we have the Post Malone Crocs, the Yeezys in the orange, the foam runners, and then the Yeezy slides there, and then I'm wearing Adidas, like my house slides. Those are like my everyday that I kind of rotate throughout the week. Obviously, that's not all my shoes you'll see, but those are like my everyday that I just quick, easy to go. They stay up there, and I can just move up front. Moving on to the right, we have a pitcher. We have another firearm. We have my watches, a candle, all my jewelry, little extra ammo, stuff like that. And then in here, we do have, these are like my shorts, bathing suits, tank tops, gym pants, just all personal clothing basically will be in here. And then the bottom is mixed with electronics. Like I'll keep my camera gear. I have some tripods, stuff like that will be in these bottom 2. Then you see a clothing rack or a little hanging rack. These are going to be my personal t-shirts, kind of color coordinated. So we have the gray going to black. Up top, we do have my personal dress shoes / boots. So we have like, these are my winter Colorado boots, my Sorel, really nice boots, laceless. I love these. We have some Chelsea boots. We have another pair of Chelsea boots. We have some Trust shoes. We have some snakeskin rain boots. And then we have some combat Nike boots that I love for Colorado as well. So those are just personal shoes. And then, like I said, personal shirts. And then down here is personal shirts as well, color coordinated. So we have the white going to like neutral, tie-dye, purples, blues, greens, camos, if you can see through that. So these are all personal short sleeve t-shirts. Then I do have a king size bed because obviously I'm a king, you know, we can't have anything less. Now the side, we have more yellow bins. Now those are going to be extra storage for sneakers and heavy jackets for sale. Not personal, but for actual inventory for sale. We have the big painting, my uncle. You guys have seen that in past videos. If you've been watching for a while, you know that. And then here we have my walk-in closet, which is kind of a mess right now. I just did a market, so just bear with it. Usually it's a lot neater and a lot organized, but just bear with it. Now this is my walk-in closet. For Miami South Beach, this is a huge closet. This is amazing. So we'll start it off. We have my personal Air Force Ones. We have the beaters. We have gently used. We have used. We have almost new, like new, and brand new. Those are all my, that's when I wear shoes, that's all I wear. It's just Air Force One low tops, white. Sometimes they're mixed, but that's my go-to shoe. So those are my little lineup. We do have a high top version as well. And then if you guys know, you know my favorite color is yellow. We have black and white yellow ones. So those are my Air Force Ones, grab and go. Below that, we do have my little pant collection, starting off with like black pants, kind of like color coordinated. We have black. Then moving into denim, we have some dark. Moving on to lighter denim. Some crazy one like baby fat print. Black denim, corduroy. Moving on to camo, tan. So those are my pant collection, personal. And then down below that is my personal like button-up t-shirt, hoodies, jackets, all personal. Right? So basically this section is all personal. Now, moving on, everything you see up top, everything you see hanging is for sale. Inventory. I haven't organized it, but you'll see we have all this, jackets, sweaters, crew necks. Down here, this is new stuff I recently got that I need to put in yellow bins. It's more like heavy jackets, leather jackets. Usually I put my t-shirts on this rack. I'll put my t-shirts. This I'll put pants and jackets, shorts. These are personal shoes, so I have some personal running shoes, some Teva, water shoes. And then like when my dad comes to visit, I have his personal sandals, some shoes. These are all my Croc and Birkenstock collection, some sandals, all personal. But yeah, all of this is for sale. I just did a market. This bag is filled with sneakers. That bag is filled with sneakers. Usually those are in the yellow bins you see by my bed. But like I said, I just did a market, so those are out. So usually this space is completely empty and completely clean. And yeah, this is my little walk-in closet. It's huge. Just have some personal hoodies and jackets hanging up behind the door. And then kind of finishing along, just a basic bathroom. Nothing really too much to show. Basic shower, And that kind of wraps up my Miami South Beach apartment. So that, like I said, that wraps it up. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts. What do you guys think about it? Do you guys like my apartment? Do you like the vibes? Do you think, would you change something? Would you not have painted your walls black? Let me know. Do you guys like the black walls? I personally love it. I can't say anything more. I absolutely love this apartment. I'm super happy the way it turned out. And, I'm just super happy here. Sadly, my rent is increasing 40% when my lease expires in March. So I don't know if I'm going to stay here another year. Hopefully I am. I might just bite the bullet just because, like I said, I am obsessed with the apartment. So we'll see. But yeah, it's going up 40%. All my neighbors are moving out currently. And it's horrible. Rent, everything, inflation is going up like crazy. Just to give you guys an example, I am paying $1,400 a month for this apartment, and it is going to $2,000 a month. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Again, let me know in the comments on what you guys think. I hope you guys did enjoy this little apartment tour. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video, and don't forget, guys, let's get it.